Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. When closing an accounting period in Business Central, it's important to secure the period to block new postings. This video demonstrates how to restrict posting for all users during the closing process, while still allowing certain individuals to continue posting. First, I want to set some company-wide settings, which I can do in the General Ledger setup. So, let's go there. In the General Ledger setup, I can see that I've allowed posting within the period of August to September using the Allow Posting From and Allow Posting to fields, which is fine. However, since we're closing August now, I want to prevent any further posting in that month. To do this, I'll adjust the Allow Posting From date to September 1st. By default, this will limit all users to posting only in September. But I still need to allow certain individuals to post in August. And I can override the settings for specific users in the User Setup page. Let's head there. Here, you can see that I've granted gap permission to post in August by setting the Allow Posting From and Allow Posting to fields accordingly. This approach provides an effective way to lock down a posting period for the entire company while granting access to a select few, like accountants, who are responsible for closing the month. This makes it easy to manage accounting periods and control who can post and when.